powerful explosion ripped through the Nagaon police station in Srinagar late last night. Because of this explosion, 9 people are dead and close to 32 are still injured. The Jammu and Kashmir DGP said this was accidental explosion, ruling out the terror angle, saying that it occurred while the police were handling the seized explosives that were recovered from Faridabad. As per the Ministry of Home Affairs, the recovered explosives were kept in an open area at the Nagaon police station. This accidentally exploded. Due to the large volume, the handling process had been ongoing for the past 2 days. Officials emphasized that any speculation at this stage is not required. Officials said the death toll may actually rise. The CCTV footage captured the exact moment when the blast blew apart parts of the building. Flames and thick smoke was actually visible from quite some distance.
They are the relatives of the deceased of the Nagaon police station explosion, and they are trying to enter this area. The police has cordoned off this whole location. There are barricades that have been put. Nobody is being allowed for security reasons to enter as the investigation is still going on. But these women, they are trying to go inside. They are speaking to these policemen, the Jammu Kashmir police who's investigating this whole area and this whole explosion, the reasons for the explosion. They're trying to convince them. This is certainly a difficult moment for the families. 9 people, including the police officials, the camera persons, they've lost their lives in this explosion last night. And here, the government, the MHA, has been saying that this has been an accidental explosion. The investigation is going on as this whole area was laden with the explosives that were recovered in Faridabad. This is a sensitive zone where the police cannot allow anybody since the investigation is going on, and there has to be a proper sanitization of the whole area until the road is open. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Sanjay for India Today from Srinagar's Nagaon.
A huge quantity of explosive substances, chemicals and reagents were also recovered from Faridabad on 9th and 10th of November 25. This recovery, like the rest of the recoveries which we have done, was transported and kept securely in the open area of police station Nagaon. As part of the prescribed procedure, the samples of the recovery had to be forwarded for further forensic and chemical examination. On account of the voluminous nature of the recovery, this process was going on for the past 2 days, which means yesterday and day before, by the FSL team. Due to the unstable and sensitive nature of the recovery, the sampling process, the handling was being done with extreme caution, with utmost caution by the FSL team. However, unfortunately, during this course, last night around 11:20 p.m., an accidental explosion has taken place. Any other speculation into the cause of this incident is unnecessary.
बरामद रासायनिक विस्फोटों के नमूने को आगे फॉरेंसिक और रासायनिक परीक्षण के लिए भेजा जा रहा था। भारी मात्रा में विस्फोटों की बरामदी के कारण पिछले 2 दिनों में यह प्रक्रिया एसओपी के तहत लगातार जारी थी। विस्फोटों की अस्थिर प्रकृति के कारण इसे एक्सपर्ट निगरानी के तहत सावधानी पूर्वक संभाला जा रहा था। हालांकि उसी के दौरान 14 नवंबर 2025 यानी कि कल रात को लगभग 11:20 बजे अचानक एक्सीडेंटल विस्फोट हुआ। इस दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना में 9 लोगों की मृत्यु हो गई और 27 पुलिसकर्मी, 2 राजस्व अधिकारी और 3 नागरिक घायल हुए।
तो बड़ी दुख की बात है, जितना इसको कंडेम किया जाए वो कम है, क्योंकि इतने सारे जो वहाँ पे जाने ज़ाया हुई हैं, लगभग मैंने सुना है 9-10 के करीब, और जो इंजर्ड वहाँ पे हैं उनके लिए तो हम दुख का इजहार कर सकते हैं। और सही में ये बहुत, जितना भी इसको कंडेम किया जाए वो कम है। बहुत ही ज़्यादा अफसोस हुआ है इस हादसे को लेके।
दुख है इस बात का कि बहुत सारी जानें चली गई और उनके लवाहिकीन के साथ हमदर्दी है, और क्या कह सकते हैं, ऐसा न हो आने वाले वक्त में, ये हम सब की ख्वाहिश।
My colleague Shivani Sharma is now joining me. Shivani, in fact, is present right outside the police station, the Nagaon police station, where this deadly blast took place. Shivani, from what we can understand at the moment, this is what the DGP also spoke about, that this is an accidental blast. For the past 2 days, they were looking at ammonium nitrate, and last night, because of a mishap, this blast happened. Unfortunately, 9 people have lost their lives.
Aishwarya, I'm right now outside the Nagaon police station, which has been damaged and destroyed in the devastating explosion last night. 9 people have lost their life, including the officials who were involved in the tests that were happening. The FSL team was present there. The whole area is still cordoned off. People are not being allowed to go inside because the sanitization is going on, the rescue operations are going on, and the damage assessment is also going on, Aishwarya. While we are witnessing all this on ground, we also see the ambulances still on the go to take people to the hospitals. The number of injured officially is around 30. And many people are missing. 9 deaths have been officially reported. You can see the fire emergency services are present here, because when this explosion happened at 11:20, immediately rescue operations were pressed into action. There were fire brigades, there were ambulances. But what we have reported and what we've seen from closer to this area is the high impact of this explosion. You know, the buildings that are in the proximity of this police station, they have been badly damaged. We can see glasses all over. We can see doors broken. Even the stone buildings have impact on them. So one can imagine the high intensity of this explosion, although we've also heard the DGP of Jammu and Kashmir, Nalin Prabhat, who was addressing the media, and he said and clarified that there's just no scope of any speculation. This is not a terror act, but an accidental explosion that happened last night while the teams were inspecting and they were investigating whatever was rescued, whatever was recovered in the operation since last 1 week. We've seen the 360 kilograms of ammonium nitrate and other material, 2,900 kilograms of ammonium nitrate that was recovered from Faridabad. What we are given to understand is, Aishwarya, it was all brought here. It was kept in the open space of the police station, and the teams were, since last 2 days, they were investigating. All the protocols were being followed, the precautions were being taken, but how this blast took place, what went wrong, what was it a mishandling or a detonator, or what was the reason for this explosion? That investigation is still going on. A lot of police forces there inside. Since morning, I am reporting from this area. We've seen a number of police vehicles going inside. We are seeing the police has been guarding this location. They are trying to tell people not to stand here for long, because this is a busy road. They do not want any kind of chaos here. We also saw a group of women who had come here to look for the missing person and the missing persons of their family members, the deceased. They want to know where they are. So there is a lot of panic, a lot of alert in Jammu and Kashmir. The forces are on a high alert. The rescue goes on. But yes, the police and the MHA say that there should be no speculation. And this is an accidental explosion that has happened. But the magnitude, the intensity is huge. And one can imagine the amount of explosion, the amount of explosive that was kept out here that caught fire accidentally. How it happened, it needs to be known. The investigations are going on, but certainly the forces are on a high alert. Aishwarya.
Thank you, Shivani, giving us all those details. My colleague Shivani, in fact, is standing right outside the Nagaon police station. Now, this is the police station where the accidental blast has taken place. Unfortunately, 9 people have lost their lives.